Hello, I'm Rory. Today we're going to show you how to replace the main control board on your Whirlpool or Maytag washer. If you're experiencing issues like your washer not starting, cycles getting interrupted, or error codes flashing on your display, it might be time to check or swap out this part. Before we get underway, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and supportive DIY appliance repair tips. Let's get started and get your washer back in top working order. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a putty knife, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first, so be sure to unplug your washer or turn off the breaker before starting any repairs. To access the main control, we'll get the control panel out of the way. So go ahead and disconnect power and water to the washer if it isn't already. Remove the 2 screws at the rear of the console. Some models use hex heads and others use torque. Raise the lid, push back on the console, and slide the putty knife between it and the top panel at one of the front corners to depress the console clip. Repeat this on the other side to separate the console from the top panel. Close the lid and tilt the console forward. This will give us access we need to the main control. Take a picture of the washer's harness connections for reference when reconnecting them later. Disconnect each of the harness connections and the pressure hose. Remove the screw securing the control to the top of the washer. Slide the control to the left and lift it out. Here's your new main control. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Lower the main control onto the top and slide it to the right. Then install the screw to secure it. Reconnect each of the connectors and the pressure hose. Flip the console up and press down to engage the clips to hold it. Plug the washer back in and verify it will power up. If it does, do not unplug the washer or disconnect it from power for at least 5 minutes as it needs to communicate with the user interface. During this time, do not try and make any other selections or start any cycles. Reinstall the 2 screws into the rear of the console and don't forget to turn your water supply back on. Great job tackling the main control board replacement on your washer. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need that part, just swing by AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number and you can expect swift delivery. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your DIY project, and we look forward to being a part of your next successful repair.